Right people, we're here at Drogheria della Rosa. And my mate, round.
Emanuele.
Say again?
Emanuele.
Right, I'm here at Drogheria della Rosa. It's an old pharmacy shop that's been turned into a wicked restaurant by my mate, El.
So good.
Sorry to me! Yeah, see you later. Brothers and sisters, welcome to the RAGU series and welcome to Bologna. I've never been here before. It's been one of the cities that I most wanted to visit in Italy. I'm super excited to be here. And I'm here to get to the bottom and find out all the secrets to make the best RAGU. What a beautiful day. At the heart of Emilia-Romagna food culture is Bologna. It's famed for its access to things like mortadella, to parmesan, all these amazing food products. And so Bologna is the perfect place to learn about RAGU. Bologna is amazing, the people are amazing, the food's amazing, and the walls are amazing. Come with me. I'm going to go in this wall, you go in that one. Bologna, I need to know the secrets of the great Bolognese. Tell me, share your secrets with me. Where is the great RAGU in Bologna? Right, now people, spaghetti Bolognese. It's not a thing in Bologna, right? It's a thing that was created for the UK or the USA, right? Here, it's not about spaghetti bolognese. Bolognese means sauce from Bologna, and the sauce from Bologna is a RAGU, a complex, meat-laden sauce that is the talk of the town. It's what we all pursue when we want to have it with our spaghetti or our pappardella or our linguine, yeah? And that's why I'm in town. I'm here to get to the secrets to a killer RAGU. Right people, these are my top 3 for RAGU in Bologna. Right, first up people, Osteria Poeti. This restaurant has been here for the longest time in Bologna. It's one of the oldest restaurants. We're talking hundreds and hundreds of years. Let's get some RAGU. Okay, so tagliatelle with Bolognese sauce, RAGU. Let's get involved. That's a beef and pork mixed RAGU. Juicy as hell. Goes so well with the pasta, they're just like, they're brothers and sisters. Yeah, that's a bloody good start, man. Right, brothers and sisters, I'm here at Drogheria della Rosa. It's an old pharmacy shop that my mate Emanuele turned into a cool restaurant. You will love it. You come to Bologna, it needs to be on your list. Now, he's going to give me the secrets to his amazing Bolognese RAGU. It is delicious, you are going to love it, and you are going to love my boy. And listen, be forewarned, he's a bit of a character.
Allora tu non puoi fare il ristoratore. Ciao, sono qua, aspetta che ti servo prima a te.
Yes.
Questo è per te.
Oh.
And this is for me. I don't know if you taste already this. What do you want to know about?
I want to know what is in the RAGU. What sausage?
In the RAGU, just beef.
No pork in
No
your RAGU?
pork. No. All the family here in this street, everywhere they make the RAGU. But they make RAGU about the meat. Pork
Yes.
was the greatest element of meat in Bologna.
Yes.
But not anymore.
So 100 years ago, RAGU in Bologna was about pork?
Just pork.
Okay. It's beautiful.
Salute.
Salute.
I'm going to say hello to my customers
Yes.
inside.
Okay. Go.
Right.
Thank you so much.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Grazie.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Mate, living the life. That's really interesting, isn't it? See, 100 years ago, the transference of produce within Italy didn't happen so much, right? They didn't move Parmesan around like they do today, for example. So it's interesting that the ragu has changed in Bologna over those 100 years and that, well, this ragu has got no pork in it. It's all about the beef. And it's not got lots of tomatoes, which I personally think is the right move. Next up, I'm off to Pasta Fresca Naldi, one of the best places in Bologna for fresh hand-rolled pasta. And they do a top ragu. I can't believe that they let me in here. They're like so lovely and so warm. This is all takeout. It's not a restaurant, it's a takeaway. But this is the best place that you get the best ragu. And I'm just going to get their Bolognese ragu with some pappardella. That's like €7. So like £5 for incredible, the best ragu in the world. Minute. Okay, so they're going to show us how they do their legendary ragu. Hopefully they'll give me their secrets. This is what a complex ragu looks like. I can't wait to taste it. So, can you tell us what's in the ragu?
It's mainly sausage,
What
which
type
is
of
pork.
sausage? Pork sausage.
Yes.
And
Yes.
then- and then
and
any-
tomato and onions, garlic, pepper, white wine.
And how long is that cooked for?
Per quanto tempo lo lasci cuocere, Mary?
4-5 ore.
4-5 hours.
4 to 5 hours. Amazing. Amazing.
But where are you from?
We're from London
Uh-huh.
and we're
Vieni se
making.
mi porti con loro.
Would you like to go?
Would you like to tell me? Yeah.
Yeah, she's asking, can I come with you?
Yes, Maria. Let's go. Come on. We'll go.
Volentieri, volentieri.
Fine. Yeah, see you later. Mate. How good was that? I can't believe they just let me in. People are so nice. And then just look at this. Like, that looks what I've been searching for. It looks exactly what I've been came here for. That is just sublime. Like, that is just sublime. And you know what I've realised? I'm so glad I've come because the ragu isn't finished when it's finished cooking. The ragu is finished when it's served with the pasta. It's made to be served with the pasta. When I tasted it in the kitchen, I was like, wow, that's quite pokey, quite a lot of tomato. When it's served with the pasta, the pasta sucks up some of that and it just becomes complete. So good. So, Food Busker ragu next week. That is bloody delicious.